On one hot summer day, we headed to Arizona. This is our dinner for the day. Cold pasta salad. We stayed at the trailer village as usual. It was full with the campers from all over the world. There was some construction going on by the campground and it was noisy and dusty. After breakfast, we could see some elks.
There's a big one coming with look guys, with a huge egg. Wow.
What are they all doing here?
This one stayed at our site for a while. We decided to check out the orange route to see different lookout points. We took the blue bus from the trailer village and then go to visitor center, and we could get on the orange bus from there. Look at the view behind you. This is the view from Yaqui Point. It is one of the best spots to watch sunrise in Grand Canyon. We headed back to the visitor center to get the park stamps. The elk family was back to the campground for the afternoon snacks. The weather can change dramatically in Grand Canyon. We had some grilled cheese for dinner, and that was it for that day. Our Saturday morning started with watching some YouTube, and we had some avocado toast for breakfast. We're heading west to go hiking.
All our buses. No eating.
We wanted to do a short hike, so we got out of the bus at Maricopa Point, then hike to Hopi Point. We had some hot dogs and snacks at Hopi Point.
Terrific views to the east, to the north, and to the west.
We hopped on the bus again and went to Hermit's Rest. We enjoyed our ice cream with a view. After we came back to the campground, a thunderstorm passed through the Grand Canyon. And it's dinner time. We forgot to bring the burger press, but it all worked out. This was our dog's dinner, and now we're gonna make our dinner.
That's 8.
Put a bunch of onion on top of that.
Bread only. Wow.
This was my protein style burger. After breakfast, we headed home. This is it for our Grand Canyon trip in the summer. Thank you for watching.